Hey there, design enthusiasts, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of design with an introduction to one of the most powerful and user-friendly design tools out there, Figma. What is Figma? But first things first, what exactly is Figma? Well, Figma is a cloud-based design tool that allows designers, teams, and even beginners to create stunning user interfaces, prototypes, and so much more, all within a single platform. Why use Figma? You might be wondering, why should I use Figma when there are other design tools out there? Great question. Figma offers several compelling advantages, such as real-time collaboration, platform-agnostic access, and a robust set of features for both beginners and professionals. Plus, it's free to get started. Getting started with Figma. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and get started. First things first, you'll need to create a Figma account. Head over to figma.com, sign up, it's quick and easy, and you're ready to go. Once you're in, this is the Figma dashboard. Don't worry, we'll guide you through every nook and cranny of this user-friendly interface in the coming videos. What's next?
So, what's next on our Figma journey? Well, in the upcoming videos, we'll be covering a wide range of topics, from creating artboards and frames to designing interactive prototypes, and even collaborating with team members. Whether you're a seasoned designer looking to explore a new tool or a complete beginner eager to dive into the world of design, we've got you covered. Thanks for tuning into this introductory video on Figma. If you're ready to unlock your design potential and create amazing digital experiences, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into the basics of creating artboards and frames in Figma. Until then, happy designing!
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough.